In this video, we'll make this simple 3D practice drawing, and to make this practice drawing, I'll start from the top view. So right now you can see that I'm in the top views. Just make sure you are also in the top view to start this drawing, and then I'll select the polyline tool from the draw panel. Now I'll click anywhere in the drawing area to start my command, and I'll enter a length of 20 unit and press enter. Well, that makes a line of length 20. In this case it's very long, so I'll just zoom out to decrease its size, and now I'll move in the downward direction and enter a distance of 5 and press enter. Now press enter to exit this command, and press enter again to start the polyline tool, and this time I'll start from this point. Now I'll move in this direction and add a distance of 10, press enter. Now move to the right and add a distance of 15 and press enter. Now join it with this point. So now you can clearly see that I've made the top view of this part, and it is now made in these two different segments or two different polylines. So I'll select them both and type J and press enter so that we can join it into a single segment or a single polyline. Now I'll convert it into 3D, and for that I'll go to this home view. That will take us to the southwest isometric view. Now I'll go to extrude and select this polyline, press enter and add a height of 2 unit. So 2 and press enter. Well, there we have it. Now we can add the remaining geometries. The first one is from this side. So this is the one or the side where we need to add the next geometry, and for that I'll just move my cursor to this side because AutoCAD can only make drawings in XY plane, and this is not the XY plane. This top one is the XY plane. So to do that, go to coordinates, go to this drop down and select this face option. Now put your cursor on this face on which you want to make a drawing and press enter. And now you can start making a drawing. So either you can start making a drawing right away, or you can just move your view to that side using this view cube, and there we have it. It's now moved here, and now we can make it. So now I'll start with this rectangle tool, and I'll click on this endpoint, and I'll add a distance of 10 and a height of 8 and press enter. So there we have it. So that's the rectangle. Now click on this home view and look at this. So we have this rectangle. So now I'll go to extrude, select this rectangle again, press enter and move to this side, and you can clearly see that this is along the negative Z axis. So look at this Z axis, it is pointing toward this side, but we want to extrude it on this side, on the opposite side here. So we have to type -2 for this, because the width is obviously 2. So now press enter and there we have it. It's now made there on that side. All right, so that's added. Now we need to add it another geometry actually on this side. So if the drawing is not clear to you, you can also change its view. Right now we are in 2D wireframe. I'll go to this view drop down and change it to hidden. And there we have it, the hidden view. Now on this plane we need to make the next geometry. So once again we'll repeat the process. Go to the drop down, select face and select this face and press enter. And again I'll move my drawing to this face, which is this top view from the view cube. You can rotate this one to 90 degrees if you want, and now we can start making our drawing. So I'll go to rectangle, click on this endpoint here, and now the length of this rectangle is 18 unit because this total length is 20 and we need to subtract this one. This is 2, so we'll make it up to 18 like this, and the height of this rectangle is 12, as you can see that. So I'll type at 18, 12 and press enter. So there we have it. So now we need to add a fillet here, just right here, and for that I'll go to fillet, radius, it should be 5, press enter and add the fillet on this side. Well, that's not the side where we want to add the fillet. We actually want to add it here. That's this one. Select it and there we have it. So that's the fillet which we needed. Now I'll go to home view and look at this. So we've added that geometry. Let's extrude it. So go to extrude, select this polyline, press enter, and once again we need to add the height of 2 unit, and as you can see that Z direction is again pointing in the opposite side on this side. So again, we need to add -2. So -2, press enter, and there we have it. So that's now added. To see this thing more clearly, I'll change the view once again to shaded with edges. And now the view is much more clear than it was before, and that's our final drawing. To bring everything back to normal, the UCS has been changed a lot of times. So to bring it back to normal, just click on this home icon, the UCS world UCS icon, and it will bring everything back to normal.